If you've ever wanted to captivate your audience with beautiful, swipeable visual stories, right on your own website, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create Google Web Stories from scratch in WordPress. We'll cover everything from first-time setup through custom design to hitting publish and sharing your story with the world. Let's dive in. First, let's get the right tools set up. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, the command center for your website. On the left menu, you'll see plugins. Hover over that and select Add New. In the search bar, simply type Web Stories and tap Enter. Be sure you're choosing the official plugin created by Google. You'll spot it easily as it usually sits at the top of your results and is marked as Google Made. Click on Install Now. This part can take a few moments depending on your internet speed, and once WordPress confirms installation, go ahead and click Activate. This unlocks all the story building features right in your site with no extra coding or third-party tools needed. Now after activation, you'll notice a brand new Web Stories tab in your dashboard menu. Before you get creative, let's look at the settings. Click on Web Stories, then Settings to make it your own. Here you'll upload your publisher logo, which is kinda like your story's signature, so pick something recognizable that represents your brand or website. Next, choose your default color palette. Don't rush this, you want colors that vibe with your site and save you time when designing each slide. And if you want to track how your stories perform, just paste in your Google Analytics ID. This is super helpful if you're curious about your story's reach or want to tweak your strategy over time. Don't worry, you can always come back and tweak these settings later as your stories evolve. Alright, it's time to get creative. From the Web Stories menu, hit Add New. This is your main creative space. It's a lot like editing a PowerPoint or Canva slideshow, only with a vertical mobile-first focus. On the left, you'll find your media library, which is like your story's toolbox for images and video. The center canvas is your blank slate, and on the right are all your customization tools. Every web story is built from slides. Think of each slide as a bold, interactive page of a comic book, except digital. Start by dragging a photo or video from your library onto the canvas. You might use a dramatic landscape shot for an intro, or maybe a quick video that instantly grabs attention. You're in control of the visual mood here. Next, let's add some storytelling power with text. Click Text, then pick the type you need, headline, paragraph, or something in between. Type your message and then spend a little time with the design panel to choose fonts, adjust colors, and drag your text to the perfect spot. Don't be afraid to experiment. The more you play, the more you'll learn what works for your brand. For extra flair, add simple animations, like having text fade in or images slide onto the screen. It's as easy as selecting an element, then choosing an animation preset from the right panel. This instantly makes your story feel polished and professional, helping you stand out. And if you want to make your story interactive, link any button, image, or text to another web page. This is great if you're featuring products, blog posts, or more in-depth info. Now, before you publish, always hit Preview. This lets you see your story exactly as your audience will, especially on mobile, which is where most folks will watch. Take a slow walkthrough and spot any typos or weird layouts. There's also a pre-published checklist in the editor, which I really recommend checking. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it gives your story the best shot at showing up on Google Search and Discover. If something's flagged, fix it now, it'll pay off in views later. Once you're happy, hit Publish. That's it, your first web story is live and ready for the world. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know your questions or ideas in the comments. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials like this. Happy storytelling.